Give your home the natural beauty of cedar shakes or stone siding without labor-intensive installation or costly upkeep. Hi, it's Kristen from DIY Home Center, and today we're going to be talking about Tando. Tando is a low-maintenance exterior cladding made from high-quality polypropylene composite, and unlike many competitors, Tando siding is moisture-resistant and can be installed at ground or roof level. Their popular product lines include TandoStone, Signature Stain, TandoShake, and Beach House Shake. If you're looking for a lightweight and easy to install siding solution, then stay tuned and learn what Tando has to offer. A great alternative to real stone or stone veneer siding is TandoStone. TandoStone is the #1 brand of composite stone on the market and offers a true grit texture and low gloss look that imitates real stone. It can be used to complement a wide variety of other siding materials such as fiber cement, vinyl, stucco, and brick. Working with real boulders is difficult because they are bulky, heavy, and expensive. TandoStone comes in rigid panels that are quick to install with standard siding tools. Choose from TandoStone in a variety of styles and colors. The TandoStone Stack Stone style offers no grout lines between stones, and the Creek Ledge Stone style features various sized stones with grout lines. Homeowners love the beautiful appearance of wood shake siding, but hate the labor-intensive and costly maintenance. All TandoShake composite shake siding panels imitate the look and texture of real wood shake, but never require staining or painting. These panels are easy to install, low maintenance, and waterproof. TandoShake offers the broadest range of shake profiles that meet any architectural style. Profiles like rough-sawn cedar single work well on dormers and peaks, or rough-sawn cedar dual can be used for greater coverage on large sidewalls. If you are looking for a more rugged-looking shake, then consider rustic cedar 9 or hand-split shake profiles. Unique Tando product options include Signature Stain and Beach House Shake. Tando Signature Stain shake siding is made with real semi-transparent wood stain, and Beach House Shake delivers a coastal look with a natural, unstained cedar shake style. At DIYHomecenter.com, we offer HD samples of Tando siding profiles and colors. A limited amount of product samples may also be available to show the texture, weight, and feel of Tando siding panels. If you're interested in Tando siding or wish to request a sample, follow the links in the description to contact us or learn more.